Alright everyone, welcome back here again to my closets. So this is gonna be my part 3. It is gonna be the final installations. So right now we're gonna start dressing it up, and then right after this we're just gonna start to do all the fillers and the flooring between the cabinet and the ceiling. That's it. Alright, so these are the last two pieces that we're going to install. This is the two hanger rod, right? Chicken. This one. There you go. Now this one. There you go. All right, so right now we're working on the flooring. Okay, so I did my filler here already on the side, and that piece little guy here that goes on that side first. So what I usually do is I do it like this to join this piece and that piece together. So I'll do it this way. All right, so I usually do it like this. If you have this needle, I call it needle, 22 gauge navy. All right, so this is gonna be the stopper. Yeah. Yeah. So the other piece is going here. Okay, let's bring this one on top. We need some shims. You need some of this. Push it in like about 1/4 from the front of the gable or the frame. All right, so now let's put this one here. Let's do this side. All right, now this side. All right, we're done. Now we're done. Now we're just gonna caulking those gaps. All right, so finally we're done our walk-in closet cabinet. From the outside, this is how it looks. From the outside, this is how it looks. So the door is facing from the hallway. Right. So this is the master bedroom.